Good morning, students. This is part 1 of Astron based numerical problems for the chapter Force and Laws of Motion. So, let us start. First question is calculate the momentum of a toy car of mass 200 grams moving with a speed of 5 meter per second. Here, the mass of car is given, which we will convert into kilograms, and velocity is given. As momentum is mass into velocity, so after calculation, it is 1 kilogram meter per second. Next sum is what is the change in momentum of a car weighing 1500 kilograms when its speed increases from 36 kilometers per hour to 72 kilometers per hour. So the mass of car is given 1500 kilograms and the initial velocity is given 36 kilometers per hour, which we convert into meter per second. Initial momentum will be based on initial velocity. So the formula will be mass into initial velocity and it is 15,000 kilogram meter per second. Final velocity of the car is 72 kilometers per hour. Converting into meter per second, it is 20 meter per second. And the final momentum will be based on final velocity, which is 30,000 kilogram meter per second. Now we can easily calculate the change in momentum. Change is calculated always based on the final value minus initial value. So the change in momentum is 15,000 kilogram meter per second. Next numerical is a body of mass 25 kilograms has a momentum of 125 kilograms meter per second. Calculate the velocity of body. Mass is given, momentum is given. Using the formula of momentum, we can easily calculate the velocity, which came out to be 5 meter per second. Next question is calculate the momentum of following. An elephant of mass 2000 kilograms moving with 5 meter per second and a bullet of mass 0.02 kilograms moving at 400 meter per second. Mass of an elephant is given, velocity is given, momentum will be 10,000 kilograms meter per second. Similarly, for the second part, mass of bullet is given, velocity is given, momentum we can calculate as mass into velocity and it will be 8 kilograms meter per second. Next question is what is the momentum in kilogram meter per second of a 10 kilogram car traveling at A 5 meter per second, B 20 centimeters per second, C 36 kilometers per hour. So we are given different sets of velocities here. Mass is same, which is 10 kilograms. For part A, velocity is 5 meter per second. Momentum we can calculate 50 kilograms meter per second. It will be. Now for the second part, the velocity is 20 centimeter per second, which we will convert into meter per second, and the momentum calculated to be 2 kilograms meter per second. For the third part, the velocity is in kilometers per hour. Converting it into meter per second and doing the calculation, the momentum came out to be 100 kilograms meter per second. Next question is, a man throws a ball weighing 500 grams vertically upwards with a speed of 10 meter per second. What will be its initial momentum? What would be its momentum at the highest point of its flight? So here mass of the ball is given, which is in grams. Converting it into kilograms, it is 1 upon 2 kilograms. Initial velocity is given 10 meter per second. Initial momentum is based on initial velocity and it is 5 kilograms meter per second. As we all know that at the highest point or at the peak point, the final velocity becomes 0. So the momentum will be based on final velocity and it will also be 0 kilograms meter per second. So that is all for today. Do not forget to practice these sums at least twice. Thank you. Have a nice day.